Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs. Let go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful wig. But before we get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So today I'm going to show you guys how I was able to install this beautiful coily wig. This wig is from CelieHair company. I'm going to put all the specs and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box below. As you guys can see, this wig is a very beautiful, easy to install wig. I just brought it out from the pack and I installed it. The lace frontal is more of like a lace closure, but you can still do like a side pattern, as you guys can see, because the lace stops like around here. You're gonna see me unboxing the hair in the video. So as for the frontal right here, in order to lay it, I ended up using my hot comb to lay it. You're gonna see everything in the video. And as always, when it comes to coily hair, you have to make sure you always keep it moisturized. So I went ahead to moisturize the hair very well, as you guys can see. And without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So the wig came in this box and then the accessories came in this bag. So now I'm gonna show you guys the accessories.
Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business and will never ever finish. She know be want to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes. One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body.
So this is the wig. As you guys can see, the wig, the coils look very nice. And this is what it looks like inside of the wig.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, oh, yeah. I want to meet you.
So right here, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig.
Girl, you want me island too. Beauty now your body gives me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body.
And then I will cut out the baby hairs as well. And then I'm going to create a side pattern.
Tell my lady, my baby, make she calm down. Bad man, na me, they run town. One time, say she no one this time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Giving her the vibe, say she wanna roll. Moving on her body, say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor, people them applause. Singing and rapping, I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, oh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, oh, yeah. I want to meet you.
It's VQs.
So right here, I'm going to go ahead and apply my leave-in conditioner to moisturize the wig.
It's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. Vehicles. Let's go. I'ma make you bounce.
After that, I'm gonna apply my heat protectant oil.
Nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Standard. Hurricane. Ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane. Ooh, yeah. I want to tell them I'm the realest. Then they feel me. Kill him on the rhythm, then they feel me.
So now I'm gonna use my hot comb to comb the front part of the wig. I'm trying to lay it down very flat. Then here I'm gonna go ahead and slick my baby hairs. This is totally optional.
Say she know on this time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling her body. Swinging and moving and killing her body. She ain't got nothing.
Then I'll be applying my concealer on the pattern to give it a more natural look. After that, I'm gonna go ahead and tie a scarf for like 5-10 minutes to leave it to dry. So after 10 minutes, I took off the scarf.
Rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Hurricane, ooh, yeah. I want to meet you. Girl, you want me island.
So right here, I'm gonna cut a little bit of the edges that I brought out. I think it's too long, so I just want to cut it a bit shorter.
She says she want the rundown. Bad man, I mean the run town. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, may she calm down. Bad man, I mean.
And yes guys, this is the final look. As you guys can see, this wig is so beautiful. I absolutely love it, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to support me by liking this video, and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share the video with your friends. Now see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane.